Welcome to the Tech Factory. Step into the future of living with incredible mobile homes and tiny houses. From the luxury-packed living vehicle to the sustainable Ecocapsule, experience groundbreaking designs that blend comfort, innovation, and eco-consciousness. E-Blue RGB Space House. The E-Blue RGB Space House is a futuristic modular living space. It combines advanced technology with modern aesthetics, creating a one-of-a-kind living experience. One of its standout features is the dynamic RGB lighting system. This allows users to customize the ambiance to match their mood or preferences. The lighting can transform the entire space, offering a highly personalized environment. The house also includes advanced smart home technology. It features automated systems for lighting, temperature, and entertainment. All of these can be controlled through mobile devices or voice commands, making life more convenient and efficient. Its sleek and modern design is paired with high-tech amenities. Together, they deliver a next-generation living experience that blends comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology. The E-Blue RGB Space House is not just a home, it's a glimpse into the future of living. Rototow Roto Prototype. Imagine a caravan that unfolds to reveal a spacious deck and a cozy interior. That's the Rototow, a true innovation in mobile home design. With the press of a button, the cabin rotates out from its shell, expanding the living space by 70%. This feature transforms the Rototow into a luxurious and functional space. Priced at $350,000, this isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of style. The Rototow combines modern elegance with a touch of classic design. Inside, you'll find a kitchen that would make any chef proud, and a dining area with stunning views. The bedrooms are designed for comfort, providing the perfect place to unwind after a day full of adventure. This mobile home is more than just a trailer, it's a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. The Rototow offers a way to experience adventure without ever leaving the comfort of your home. PlainsCraft Covered Wagons. If you're an adventurer looking for a unique and luxurious way to experience the outdoors, PlainsCraft Covered Wagons offer the perfect solution. These wagons reimagine the classic covered wagon, blending rustic charm with modern comfort. Each beautifully crafted wagon provides a cozy, stylish retreat for outdoor enthusiasts. With various configurations available, these wagons are designed to meet different needs and preferences. Inside, you'll find comfortable sleeping arrangements, often featuring plush bedding and cozy furnishings. Many models come with modern amenities like air conditioning, heating, and even private bathrooms, ensuring you have everything you need for a comfortable stay. The insulated, weatherproof design makes sure you stay comfortable no matter the season, while the distinctive aesthetic adds a touch of nostalgia and adventure to any outdoor setting. PlainsCraft covered wagons are priced between $335,000 and $500,000. Making them a high-end choice for those who want to combine luxury with outdoor living. Would you want to experience this glamping retreat? Let us know in the comments. Living Vehicle. Living Vehicle is a luxury travel trailer manufacturer. Their trailers are built for self-sufficiency and off-grid living. Each trailer is designed to provide comfort and independence without relying on campground hookups. What sets Living Vehicle apart is the high-quality materials and craftsmanship. They use marine-grade materials, making their trailers incredibly durable. These trailers can handle rough terrains, perfect for those who enjoy challenging adventures. Living Vehicle trailers come equipped with systems that support off-grid living. They have solar panels, lithium-ion batteries, and advanced water filtration systems. These features allow the trailer to function completely on its own. In addition to off-grid capabilities, Living Vehicle trailers offer luxury. They are ideal for long trips or even full-time living. You'll find high-end finishes and modern designs inside. The trailers are available in different sizes and configurations. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat for two or a spacious home for a family, there's a model to meet your needs. No matter your budget or lifestyle, Living Vehicle has a trailer that's right for you. BALUCHON Flamenco. The BALUCHON Flamenco is a beautifully crafted tiny house that combines elegance with functionality. Built by the renowned French company BALUCHON, this model features a vibrant, modern design with clean lines and high-quality materials. Inside, the Flamenco offers a cozy living space with clever storage solutions. It includes a well-equipped kitchen and a comfortable sleeping loft. Large windows allow natural light to flood the interior, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The warm wood finishes add to its charm. Designed for sustainability and efficiency, the Flamenco is perfect for those seeking a minimalist, stylish lifestyle. Whether used as a primary residence, vacation retreat, or mobile home, it's the ideal choice. Morelo Grand Empire Premium 2023. Introducing the 2023 luxury liner from German manufacturer, Morelo. They've revealed exciting updates for their 2023 lineup, including new layouts in the Loft Liner series. A key highlight is the addition of rear lounge layouts to their overcab models. But the star of the show is the new flagship model, the Grand Empire. This is the big news, literally. The Grand Empire will be 12 meters long and weigh a massive 26 tons, allowing for a possible payload of over 11 tons. It's powered by a 12.8-liter, 530 brake horsepower Mercedes engine on the Across chassis. One standout feature of the Grand Empire 120 GSO is its rear garage, designed to fit a Mini Cooper. To enhance driving, its third axle is a steering axle, which improves handling on motorways, offers a smaller turning circle, and reduces overhang during tight maneuvers. Although there are no pictures yet, keep an eye out for the upcoming November issue of a magazine for a full visual and more details on the 2023 launches. JB Homes Golden Sky. Are you searching for a mobile home that blends modern design with spacious living and breathtaking views? Look no further than the JB Homes Golden Sky. This luxurious mobile home offers 57.2 square meters of living space. Inside, you'll find 2 cozy bedrooms, a large living room, an open-plan kitchen, and a spacious bathroom. What truly sets the Golden Sky apart are its 2 terraces. One terrace extends from the living room, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The rooftop terrace is a serene escape. Imagine relaxing there, taking in panoramic views, and enjoying the gentle breeze. Inside, you can curl up on the couch, watch the stars through large windows, and feel the warmth from the underfloor heating. It's a perfect blend of comfort and luxury. The Golden Sky mobile home is built with high-quality materials, including wood, aluminum, steel, and glass. It features modern amenities like LED lighting, an HPL tabletop, a FIBO wall system, and P-foam insulation. This stunning home can be yours for an affordable price. Häuslein Tiny House Co. Did you know that Häuslein means little house in German? It may sound simple, but this tiny house company has caught the attention of major publications like Forbes and Business Insider. So, why all the buzz? The designers of Häuslein are on a mission to change how we live. Their idea? To give you the freedom to travel the world while still feeling at home. The Häuslein tiny house is compact yet functional. It measures 9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 4.3 meters high. Weighing in at just 4.5 tons, it's light enough to be driven on public roads, at least in its home country of Australia. Despite its small size, it comes fully equipped with standard features like lighting, furniture, and plumbing. This makes it perfect for those looking to downsize or live off the grid. The Häuslein tiny house is also a great option for campground owners. The top model can comfortably sleep up to 6 people, offering an eco-friendly and space-saving solution for temporary stays. However, this comfort comes at a price, with models starting at $80,000. So, whether you're a traveler, minimalist, or campground owner, Häuslein offers a unique way to experience tiny living without sacrificing the comforts of home. Gervasutti Shelter. The Gervasutti Shelter is a groundbreaking prefabricated alpine refuge. It's designed to offer safety and comfort in extreme mountain conditions. Perched on the edge of a cliff in the Mont Blanc region, this futuristic pod provides breathtaking panoramic views. At the same time, it is built to withstand the harshest weather. The shelter is made from lightweight, high-strength materials. This allows it to be transported and assembled with minimal environmental impact. Inside, it offers a cozy living space that can accommodate up to 12 people. The interior includes beds, a small kitchenette, and solar-powered lighting. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, the Gervasutti Shelter combines sustainability, functionality, and modern design. It's an ideal haven for mountaineers seeking a safe and innovative refuge in the heart of nature. MiniBig. No matter how advanced AI gets, the Japanese always seem to take innovation to the next level. Take this unique trailer, for example, created by a Japanese company for their local market. The MiniBig is a small, soapbox-like trailer that's surprisingly capable. Equipped with an outboard motor that delivers at least 5 horsepower, it can even conquer waves, making it perfect for water adventures. Despite its compact size, measuring just 4.4 meters long, 1.6 meters wide, and 1.9 meters high, the MiniBig is surprisingly spacious inside. It can comfortably fit up to 3 people. The manufacturers cleverly designed the interior to include not just furniture but also a fully functional kitchen. The MiniBig is a perfect example of how to make the most out of small spaces, combining practicality with comfort. This unique trailer is priced at around $14,500, making it an affordable option for those seeking adventure and convenience. Expandable Touchdown. Expandable Touchdown technology is revolutionizing mobile spaces. It offers ground-level accessibility without compromising interior space, making it perfect for industries like hospitality, education, and entertainment. At the heart of this innovation is its patented retractable axle bogie system. This allows for easy relocation while maximizing interior capacity. The setup process is quick and efficient, taking only 15 minutes. This saves time, reduces logistical challenges, and minimizes resource use. The system features an intuitive interface and integrated controller. These tools simplify operation, reduce human error, and enhance the overall user experience. Its versatility makes it ideal for various applications. It can be used for events, mobile classrooms, roadshows, and more. The spaces are customizable, practical, and designed to be visually appealing. Expandable Touchdown also prioritizes accessibility. Its user-centric design caters to people with mobility impairments, ensuring inclusivity for all. This cost-effective solution transforms the way temporary spaces are created and used. It's a game-changer for industries that need efficient, mobile, and accessible environments. Ecocapsule. The Ecocapsule is a revolutionary solution for off-grid living. It combines beauty and functionality in a self-sustainable micro-unit, offering independence and comfort wherever you go. Priced at €99,900, this compact dwelling is powered by 880 watts of high-efficiency solar panels and a low-noise wind turbine that generates up to 750 watts. Together, they ensure a reliable energy supply, even in remote areas. Designed with versatility in mind, the Ecocapsule is perfect as a cottage, pop-up hotel, mobile office, or research station. It comfortably accommodates 1 to 2 people, making it ideal for solo adventurers or couples. For resource management, the unit captures and filters rainwater, ensuring efficient water use. Its unique egg-shaped design minimizes heat loss, enhancing energy efficiency while keeping the interior comfortable in various climates. The Ecocapsule is more than a dwelling, it's a statement. It offers luxury, sustainability, and independence, catering to modern nomads who want to live closer to nature without compromising convenience. Pebble Flow. The Pebble Flow travel trailer is revolutionizing the camping experience. With its sleek design and thoughtfully arranged living space, it combines style and functionality for modern adventurers. At its core is an innovative all-electric drive system. This dual motor setup is powered by a 45 kilowatts LFP battery, which assists your tow vehicle and reduces fuel consumption. It's a game changer for EV owners who face range reductions while towing. Automation is one of the Pebble Flow's standout features. It can autonomously hitch up to your tow vehicle, making the setup process effortless. A remote control feature further simplifies parking, even in tight spots. Once you're at the campsite, setup becomes a breeze. With the press of a button, stabilizers deploy, the awning opens, and parking brakes engage. It's camping made easy, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone. The Pebble Flow redefines what a travel trailer can be, offering convenience, innovation, and sustainability for your outdoor adventures. Cyberlander Reveal. The Cyberlander Reveal is a futuristic camper designed to turn your Tesla Cybertruck into a mobile home. It unfolds to create a comfortable living space, complete with a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and office. All of this fits perfectly into the truck bed without any issues. Whether you're out in the wilderness or in the heart of the city, the Cyberlander brings the comforts of home with you. It's the ultimate adventure vehicle for Cybertruck owners, offering convenience and versatility in one package. The price for the Cyberlander Reveal is $49,999. However, if you pre-order now, you can get a discount on that price. Using the Cyberlander can also save you money on expenses like fuel, maintenance, and hotel stays. For those passionate about travel and discovering new places, the Cyberlander Reveal is an ideal choice.